Hi everyone, I am Vaishali Shinde here. I was introduced to Neulyf hydrogen water by Mr. Shanker, a good friend of ours and a very genuine person. This is the machine. More than getting hydrogen water, first time I was very happy to see a machine having ozone water also for cleaning the fruits and vegetable. This was the first benefit which I observed. Second was that it improved my health as I had some health issues. My energy level increased and also which helped me to increase in my activeness in physical body also. The machine has hydrogen water, ozone water and RO water, which I felt a very good benefit the machine was providing us. The whole Cosmic team is very good in cooperation. The machine was installed immediately when we took a decision, and they always give services on time. It's not required to follow up with them very often. They themselves take care of us and our machines. I'm very happy from the services provided by Cosmic team. Thank you so much.